Today we are doing my fishing pier video. So this is my cousin Len. Len, say hi.
Hi.
So at the moment we're gonna try and get me to 10 million and him to 5 mil. This is gonna be a long time. Anyway. No, wait. If I hit the gritty right now, I'll hit 100 subs by tomorrow. If I do the gritty right now, I'll hit 100 subs by tomorrow.
Don't mind my skin because it's only my sister's old account. Plus, I gotta go to my dad to ask him a question.
Yeah. Anyway, Len. You are gonna. Bro, do you wanna say hi?
Yeah.
Put your face on then. Put your face on the camera. Wait. This. Oh crap.
Hi.
This is Len, my cousin.
Hi.
That is my cousin. Okay. So anyway, Len, how long do you think this is gonna take? Oh, nice bait. Oh, dang it. Dang it, I've got no money. Wait, I'm gonna go find Tralala at my pier. It's Tralalala, Tralala. Oh, that's not Tralala, bro. That's Tralala, Tralala. That's Los Tralalalitos. Now, why is bro being so quiet? What the hell, but... Wait a minute. Oh, bro's muted. My brother is muted. Anyway, I'm just going to go AFK real quick. Look, if you do this, you get more mutations. Anyway, I might speed run to 5 million real quick. I will be back. Bro, guys, this is taking way too long. Bro, I've been AFK for like an hour and a half and I've only got 100k. Like, what the hell? And bro, this guy is still not back. I don't know what the hell he's been doing. I'm gonna try and get 3 million and him to 2 mil. Bro, because this is gonna take years, bro. When I hit 3 million, I swear to God, I'm gonna be so goddamn happy. No, I'm gonna go on AFK so I can get the one mutation thingy. On AFK or Bull Shark, it would have been way better if we got on this. Oh, yes, sir, bro. We've got another chance. Oh, come on. Come on, son. I don't want to fish there. I want to fish here. I'll AFK it. AFK when I'm catching. Bro, is this game gonna let me catch it or what? No, I was clicking AFK. How much is this crap worth anyway, bro? It better be a lot. If I got another mutation on that. Bro. It's gonna take way too long. Oh no, I can just cheat real quick. I can actually just cheat. Yeah, fair enough, because I am not waiting. Well, how the hell do I unfavorite this crap? There we go. Yeah, lad, I'm cheating. I'm selling my meg. What the hell? Yeah, to be fair, I could have just fished here. I don't know what bro's doing. If bro doesn't get back in the next 5 minutes, I'm kicking him. That's one thing I'm gonna do. Dama. I'm gonna click back. Oh my god, I clicked town, not pier. Ruby Chan! Hi! Nanigaski! I swear to bloody God. The game actually loves me today. Soon, if this is not good, I swear to God, I will go downstairs, get my goddamn grandma, and say, I want to do a baking video. Who the hell is bro calling? Domino's Pizza. Okay, no, we're gonna get all the money that we need right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Damn. Yeah, bro, I'm doing a baking video. This. Be back. You guys, so this guy just got back. Len, should we try and get 1.5 million for you instead?
1.50 million, do you mean?
1.5. So you get 1,500,000.
I'm already at 1,000,085,155.
Yeah, I know you got 1.0. Bro, what the hell is this thing right here though? A big blue whale. Wow, no, let me AFK while catching that thing.
Yeah?
Let me know. Guys, this blue whale is like 2 million kg, but I swear. It's like, bro, it's literally like the Moby D from fish. And then, bro, look at this crap. Come to my pier.
Huh?
Come to my pier ASAP. Bro, Len, look what I just caught.
Nice.
Oh my god, bro, it's a limited Squid Game fish.
Tyler,
Yeah?
I might have to leave my phone.
Why?
Because after my mum's stressed,
Yeah.
I'll go to shopping with her.
Alright.
Not now though.
No, bro, we're just gonna speed run Len. Len, do whatever you want at my fishing pier, bro. Catch as many things as you can.
Why?
Bro, because you need to get 1.5 million, bro.
I thought what?
Bro, Len, just come to my base. Just come. Oh my god, bro. I do not feel well.
Do you not feel well?
No. Come to my base. Oh, what the hell? The bait just restocked.
Where the hell's your base?
I don't know, you tell me. Bro, imagine serpent bait was in stock and I couldn't buy it. That'd be crazy. Bro, I really wanted to get tangler bait. I really want to get all of these baits, bro. Next time I get Robux, I'm going to go on here, get Cryptic Relic, this one, and then we'll go up to the very top, maybe, and get Tangler. Then, bro, just go to my pier.
I haven't used it yet, though.
They're cool. Anyway, Len, look, see all these little fish in just one area? Len, come here. Fish here. Look how many little fish there are, and the little fish, they have a lot of mutations. So then just catch them. Catch as many fish as you want. Anyway, time lapse. Bro, guys, someone just said, hit the gritty for 5 subscribers. Bet!
Huh?
Don't mind me disgrittying. Bro, I didn't know how to do the gritty, bro. I can't do it while I'm on a bed.
Huh?
Nothing, I'm just talking to my people.
Tyler?
Yeah?
What was your best video?
I haven't made it yet. Anyway, Len, Go sell your inventory. Duh.
Well, I just did.
We just got 700,000. Alright, no, I can't help you anymore now. No. You're going to be richer than me soon. I'm not letting that slide. I'm catching everything in my basement, you're not. Hell no. Brilliant, how did you get so much goddamn money?
I don't know. Because I did. I'm not telling you.
Bro, you were fishing on my pier the whole time, though. Not like you got it all by yourself, bro. I helped you like 99.999%. And you've done nothing. All you've done is fish at my pier and sold stuff. Cooked the life, and
What I did is, you know how a bunch of fish is stuck together?
yeah, I know. That's what I do. Catch them.
I little like get my rod out,
Catch all of them at once.
and then I'll get 4 at once. And then just keep on catching fish for a couple hours. And then you'll get lots of fish to sell, and then you'll get 1 million.
Wait a
So
minute.
there you go.
Oh, wait a second. I'm gonna see if you're lying, bro. I'm just gonna catch a couple fish. Like a couple hundred. Like, I think like a couple more like little ponds like this should be enough.
Like, if you got like 5 fish, no, if you got 7 fish and your basses, it'll
Bruh.
be
Right.
2.56 thousand.
I do not know what you're talking about. Anyway, no. Let me see if this guy was lying about doing that method. Let's see this. Bro was not lying. I just got 700,000 from it. Oh, so OP. Remember, Len, should we end the video there, bro? Or we'll go over the top and get too much?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Thank you for watching.
Guys, peace out.
Bye!